Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I want to welcome you to my Saturday morning makes. So this is episode number 7 for me, and I'm going to start with a Stamping Bella set that I used. It is Gilbert Has a Snack. He is stinking cute. And I used the technique that Anna White showed using the vintage photo. I didn't use the pen, but I did use the ink, and then I used these dies from Gina Marie Designs. They're the X-stitched rectangle die set, and I don't remember the paper I used. And I also used my watercolors, these Karen's, and they look like this if you're interested. Flips open, and they come like this. They're really nice. And I really like them. And this is what I came up with. Oh, I also used my silver glitter dust. So it says, a good friend knows all your stories. A best friend helps you write them. And I really love how it turned out. So what do y'all think? And then I left the inside blank. Okay, the next thing that I made, I used the vintage photo Distress Oxide. I used one of the tags from this wafer thin metal die set from scrapbook.com. It's a really big set. I used this Sizzix gingerbread man die. So cute. And then I used this Primitive Hearts Sizzix Bigs die. And I think that's just what it's called. Yeah, Primitive Hearts. And then I used some ribbon, which I don't think I brought back here. No, I did not. And I made this tag. And I used some music note paper. And then I paper pieced. I thought it turned out pretty cute. And then for my last project, I used this Club La La Land Crafts from May 2018 called No Marcy. And it comes with these stamps and these dies here. Really cute set. I've never used it, and I wanted to. And I used these dies that Tina Bean had sent me. I love these dies. And I used this paper pad in my stash. It's called Gnome Sweet Gnome from My Mind's Eye. And this is the card I came up with. I used my Copics to color them up. And I did a lot of paper piecing for the other stuff. And it turned out, I think, really cute. It's my favorite card out of all the ones I made. And then I haven't done the inside yet. I just cut out the paper because I don't know what sentiment I want to use yet. I don't know who it's going to be for. But those are my Saturday morning makes. I thank you guys for stopping by. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.